In this tutorial, you will learn how to make 3D letter manipulation. Open the browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can take your prompt. Prompt and description. Click on Create. Click on Image Preview. If you want to download this, let us try another sample. Click on Create. Click on Image Preview. If you want to download this, and you will get image without watermark. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.